Hello guys, we are Luna
Achilles,
and we are young travelers
exploring Europe, and today we're in the Tornion Panimo Brewery. So how long does the brewery exist?
We restarted in 2016, but the history goes back to 1873 and it went all the way to 2010. This was one of the biggest breweries in the country, but then it was closed and the pride of the town was gone. With the support of the EU funds, we were able to save the building and fix it. Beer is a natural thing. It takes time for the yeast to do his thing, and so we don't rush anything. We use traditional methods, craft methods, Finnish northern ingredients as much as we can, so it's a real deal.
Do you think like Finnish people appreciate the traditional Finnish beer?
They do. Of course, the new craft beer revolution has come to Finland as well. We make nice experimental beers and hobby beers, but the good old-fashioned traditional lager is very well appreciated in Finland as well. I'm very glad that I had the opportunity to show our brewery to you, and I have a little present here for you.
have it.
This is the special edition of roadtriproject beer.
Wow! Guys, get our own beer!
Thank you so much.
So we tried one of the best Finnish beers.
And we spotted the Tornion Brewery.